Good morning students. Welcome to the online class. This is your computer period and I am your computer teacher. Students, yesterday I taught you the input devices. Students, I already told you that a computer works on IPO cycle. So students, let us learn about the devices which are used to run this IPO cycle. Okay, so let us start our today's work. We will continue our yesterday's topic, that is input devices. Okay, so students, yesterday I taught you the computer device. In computer device there are many types of devices, that is input device, processing device, output device and storage device. Okay, yesterday I told you that in input devices there are keyboard and mouse. Okay, input devices are the devices or the part of a computer through which data and instructions are entered into a computer. Input and output devices are also known as computer peripherals. Okay, so some of the commonly used input devices are keyboard and mouse. Keyboard, you already know that a keyboard is the most commonly used input device. It lets a user enter data and instruction into a computer. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. Okay, and the other input device is mouse. Okay, and the a mouse is also known as pointing device. It controls the movement of the pointer on the monitor. It has two buttons, left button and right button. Okay, it also has a scroll wheel in the middle of them. A scroll wheel. Okay, so there are two types of computer mouse. Ball mouse uses a ball for the movement of the mouse pointer. The ball is present under it. Okay, optical mouse use an LED light for the movement of the mouse pointer. Okay students, now today we discuss about the other input devices, that is scanner and microphone. Okay, scanner. What is a scanner, students? Scanner. This is scanner. So students, scanner is a device that captures images from photographic points, prints, posters, magazines, pages. Scanner usually attached to your personal computer. Okay, scanner reads the text or pictures printed on a sheet and transfer it to a computer. For example, a printed or a handwritten document, photographs and so on. So the flatbed scanner is the most commonly used scanner. Okay, the flatbed scanner is the most commonly used scanner. This is a scanner, a printer or a handwritten document, photographs and so on. Okay students, so another device is microphone. A microphone is a device that captures audio by converting sound waves. Okay, there are many types of microphones. It is used to record and input voice, sound and music into a computer. आप सभी को माइक्रोफोन का पता होगा कि क्या है. So it is used to record and input voice, sound and music into a computer. Okay students, so I hope you all are well understand today's topic. Okay, So now another device is processing device. CPU is the only processing device in a computer. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. You already know that the full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. Okay. CPU is also known as the brain of a computer. Okay. CPU is also known as the brain of a computer. It controls the input and output devices attached to a computer. It processes the given input and provides the accurate output accordingly. Okay, students. So, next topic I will discuss in next day. Okay. So today you all are learn the scanner. What is a scanner? What is microphone and processing device? Okay, friends. And in this today's topic, if you have any doubt, so ask me in your class group. Okay. So good day to all of you, students.